Good afternoon, everyone. Today is International Women's Day. International Women's Day is celebrated every year on March 8 around the world to honor women's achievement and to support the fight for women's right, equality, and empowerment. On behalf of BRAC, I would like to wish you all a happy International Women's Day. This year, United Nations theme is for all women and girls right, equality and empowerment. Their campaign slogan is Give to Gain. This year, United Nations themes remind us that every woman and girl deserves their equal rights, opportunities, respect, and the power to shape her own future. At BRAC, we believe that empowering women is very essential for building strong families, communities, and nations. Through education, economic opportunities, and social support, BRAC continue working towards a world where all women can thrive. Let us celebrate this day with hope, solidarity, and commitments. Together, let us support the campaign Give to Gain and continue working for a more equal and inclusive world for women and girls. Happy International Women's Day. Thank you.